Shorthand English Junior Grade 80 words per minute. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am very grateful to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition for the manner in which he wound up the debate before I had to stand up to reply. Every suggestion that he has made was constructive, and I assure him that all those suggestions will receive not the best attention but as much attention as I can give to them. The honorable leader of the opposition will not hesitate to believe me when I say this, that I shall try to do my best, which is limited not only by my capacity but also by the capacity of the people to pay for any improvement in all these directions. After all, we must remember that we stand on the basis of the resources, the tax and the revenue resources that we have in the country. I not know that if the police department is very important, it may have had associations of displeasure on the part of the people. But now that we are free, we should try our best to get rid of those associations and really to appreciate the great and important position which the police department and the policemen as a whole occupy in the life of the country. We have not reached a stage when we would dispense with protection of that kind. The people have not settled down to live the good life without any control or regulation or protection from outside. We do need the police, but hard facts are there, and we do require the police as the honorable leader of the opposition just now in his last winding up speech said, and we do require peace and increased efficiency. And he has also asked me to find ways and means to get them. I thank him for the suggestion made. I thank also the honorable members who referred to smaller matters of details in respect of the improvement of the police department and its working as such. After all, sometimes small things are more important than general observations, and I thank them therefore for those suggestions they have made. With regard to the improvement of the pay and prospects of the policemen, especially of the large number of constables, I am thinking of what can be done for these people which might make them happy and hopeful and cheerful in life. I have not any proposal now. Dear sirs, we thank you for your letter of the 14th instant and note the cause of the delay in the delivery of the goods ordered a month ago. A consignment arrived this morning, but on opening one package, we find that the material sent is quite inferior to the quality ordered. This is very unfortunate for us as we were anticipating an early delivery to our customers, and this will now be impossible. In regard to number 3, silk sarees which you supplied last week, we are very pleased to inform you that our customers are delighted with this material. Herewith, we forward an order for a further 5 cases and shall be greatly obliged if you will put in hand for delivery at the earliest moment. Owing to the expansion of our trade in recent years, we have found it necessary to move to more spacious premises. We have found a place in the heart of the city. Yours.